Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VSTM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming in from down here. But I don't mean to state the obvious. Those lines are totally irrelevant now because today not only did the price just make a huge move, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of updates need to be made. In fact, what I'm going to do is just use these annotations for near term levels, just because sure they pertain to the chart, they're not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint where I sit, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. So first level we'll just start off with is the current level of resistance. And that's right up there at $8.75. And that's coming from just simply that's where the party stopped today. So $8.75, by no means am I implying that that's some sort of like, crucial or huge level of resistance. It's just, where the price, happened to stop going up. So that'll be, public enemy number one going forward. As far as levels of support, one of the newest areas of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 8. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 8, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 8, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be the lows from today, which are at 715, and then taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view. So this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price can stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 8 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls are in full control of the chart. So yeah, nice move today. Crazy to think that, just a couple of days ago, I was doing this chart and it was down much less, but starting off the week here very strong, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.